Hey friends, another Franken paper coming at you today. I had this that we set aside again the other day that is almost the right size, and I had this that we cut off from a bit of paper with birds, and it matches up with this paper perfectly, so I'm going to be using that. And it, I think, covers like that much, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it and then putting some glue on and wiggling it around a little bit. Whatever, we'll see how it works. You may have seen my other Franken paper videos by now, and if you have, you might have realized I pretty much just play it fast and loose. Whatever works is what we do, and we just figure it out as we go. Alright, and then just kind of smooth that on really well. Go, ooh, and wiggle it because it's not perfectly straight. We didn't end up lining it up right. Whatever, it'll work out. And then lift that up and make sure that it didn't, yep. See, I thought I had some squeeze out on the back side, and I don't want it glued down to my mat. Well, I'd prefer it not to be glued down to my mat anyway. And actually, that all has the same kind of background. Let's see if we can't find a little bit more paper with that on it, because if we can, we might be able to make something that has fully all the same background, which, whatever, but could be kind of fun. Oh, there's a little piece, but that's just a little bit. I don't think I've got too much more of that. Oh, here's a bit cut off from a Franken paper that we made a while back. Actually, that might be okay. This one might be a really quick one. They don't have to be long and difficult. There we go. Actually, yeah, I like that. Okay. It's not going to be the same on the background, but whatever. Just get it into the edges, and then like along those edges, just to make sure I've got it really all around. There we go. Alright, and then line everything up. Ooh, that glue went a little wild for me up here. That's okay, we'll clean it off. And now we will decorate, I think. No reason not to. Maybe glue on something shiny? Let's see if I got anything shiny around. I don't know. What is on the desk today? I swear I had a pack of like little star-shaped sequins somewhere, but I do not see them. That's alright. So let's see what else we've got around in that case. Let's see. Maybe just more paper. I'm not seeing anything that I like for this. And that's alright. And I want to show you what I'm doing, but I also kind of want to just come back to it later. Let's flip this over and see what we've got on the back side here. Pretty boring stuff. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Maybe a strip of like maroon? That could be fun. I like that.